Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete WordPress website from your Hostgator hosting account and overall from Hostgator. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are on Hostgator, you of course want to go ahead to the websites on this menu bar. And here you will see all of your websites. And for example, I want to go ahead and delete this one. So all you need to do is click on settings. Now you want to go ahead and choose settings option right there. And now you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can actually remove WordPress, stop using WordPress with this website, or delete site permanently. So you can just delete your website content backups, database info permanently. So you're gonna click delete the site. Now you're gonna enter this website and click delete. And that's it. Your website was deleted from your Hostgator. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.